What's up guys, and welcome back to another video of Magic School. So in this video I'm going to show you a performance of a trick, and at the end I'm going to show you how to learn it. But I'm not going to show you the tutorial. Okay, that sounds kind of confusing, but let's just start with the performance because I don't want my video to be big.
I love those songs, jazz, hip hop, blues all night long. Sounds like a miracle. Oh, it's black magic, it's black magic, it's black magic.
Changing deck trick. So if you want to learn it, then don't forget to smash that like button because it helps me, and if this video gets 20 likes, then only I'm gonna do a tutorial. Okay, so if you wanna learn it, then don't forget to like the video. And if you have any confusion about this trick, what you have to do or anything like that, or if you have another trick that you want to be revealed by me, then put the links or write it in the comments down below, and I will reply it as soon as I can. So, and if you have saw the video, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so you will get the notification of the video of the tutorial whenever I will upload. So that will be beneficial for you only. I'm not asking for likes, I'm just saying it will be good for you. So this is the performance. This is a very small video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.